How do semi-trucks maintain traction when the roads are icy? A snowstorm is wreaking havoc on the Midwest and Mid-Atlantic states right now, and road conditions are pretty bad in some areas. So what are truck drivers supposed to do? There are really 5 main options. All-season tires, which can sort of handle winter weather, but struggle with extreme cold and ice. Studded tires, which are tires with metal studs in them that can bite into the ice and snow to help with traction. Tire chains, which fit over the tire to help with additional traction on the roads. Automatic chains, which are like tire chains, except you simply push a button and a cluster of spinning chains runs under the tires to ensure you have traction. Or you can stay off the roads and wait till it's safe to drive again. So if you're a trucker, leave me a comment. What's your strategy when the winter weather hits?